And you can put a sheet vinyl floor down. These are, what you have now is vinyl squares.
Vinyl squares, okay.
And so you could go, you know, to the same thing. You can go to sheet vinyl flooring. You could go to like a luxury vinyl tile. It's kind of like a cross between sheet vinyl and ceramic tile.
Okay.
We have.
So what are some of the pros and cons of the different types?
Well, sheet vinyl.
Or which one's the least expensive, and how long does it last?
In this case, laminate flooring would probably be the least expensive and probably the most durable.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because I could leave this floor down and go over it, I'd have to check the heights and make sure that the refrigerator has height and the dishwasher has height.
Oh, I see.
But then go right over the existing flooring with the laminate flooring.
Oh, yeah.
And I wouldn't have to remove it. Sheet vinyl, I'd need to remove it, remove the underlayment, install a new particle board or plywood underlayment, and then install the sheet vinyl. So it would be more expensive.
Oh, okay, yeah, there's more labor involved.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And the materials would actually cost a little bit more too.
Even the material, okay.
Yeah. You could, you have laminate flooring, you could go with hardwood flooring. You know, what's good about it is it's beautiful. The drawback is that it's expensive and maybe less durable than what a laminate floor would be.
Because of water spills and stuff like that?
Yeah, not so much of that. It's dings, scratches, nicks.
Yeah, okay.
Whereas laminate flooring is a much harder surface.
Okay.
So it resists denting and scratching much better.
How common is that laminate? Is it rare? Is it common? Is it how often do people have laminate flooring in their kitchen?
It's very common today.
Oh, okay.
So especially both commercial use and residential, because it can withstand commercial type wear.
Okay.
So, you know, like I just did a veterinary hospital where they got dogs in operating rooms and everything, and it handles chemical spills, it handles the dog paws and things like that, and it can handle a lot of foot traffic. So.
Okay. All right, so that's an option. And then what about tile? Is that good or bad, and is that expensive or less expensive?
You could go to ceramic tile. That we do not handle ceramic tile.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So, but I can tell you what I know of it, and what's good about it is that it's very good for water resistance.
Okay, water resistance.
Drawbacks are it's cold and hard to the feet and to the cost.
Oh, okay.
Because you'd be tearing this out, putting some type of a concrete board, wonder board, or they have different names for them. That would go down, and then it would be glued to that, and then grouted. So it's an expensive floor.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's a lot of labor in there. Okay, and then would we, for something as simple as a floor, do we need a permit for that in Cupertino, or do you know?
No, you don't need a.
Don't need it for Okay.
No, if you're, you know, certain things where you're moving walls or redoing ceiling lines and things like that, you would need a permit, but not for replacing flooring.
Okay. All right. And I guess what color do you suggest? I think for possible resale. Do you think this is a lighter color or a darker color, or what? What's a good color?
Something that more neutral.
Yeah, more neutral.
This floor, the existing floor would be considered a little bit dark for resale.
I kind of agree.
Most realtors would think that something a little lighter, more neutral, yet still not too light to where it's going to show things, but on the other hand, not too dark where you have to design, or too one specific color, red, to blue, or whatever color you pick, but something more along the neutral lines, which gives you the flexibility.
Oh, okay. And you have color samples or something, or I have to go?
Yeah, our showroom has all kinds of
Oh, okay.
of sheet vinyl, floating sheet vinyl floors, laminate floors, hardwood floors,
Okay.
luxury vinyl tile floors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, do you have any with you right now, or you don't?
No, I don't have samples.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, there's just too many different.
There's too many different choices to bring. Yeah.
Yeah. But what I
Okay.
can do is measure it,
Okay.
diagram it, assess for different types of flooring options for
Yes,
you,
yes.
and then I can go back and put together an estimate.
Okay. And then
Give you some ideas of what things will cost.
yeah, that's a good idea. And then from there, once I decide which flooring, then I go into the showroom and figure out which color.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
So I
Let me
guess
give
let's
you
go ahead.